In this video, I will show you how to make newsletter sign-up discount automation on Wix. First, go to your Wix website dashboard. On the left panel, go to Marketing and go to Discounts. Once in, click on New Coupon. Here you can select the type of coupon that you want. You can also add in a coupon code and the coupon name. Now just type in the percentage of your discount, and you can also choose on where to apply that coupon. I will choose on all forms. Here you can also choose a date where the coupon will be valid. Once done, just click on Create Coupon. Now that you have your coupon, go to your website editor. Here you need to create a form. So go to Add Apps. Then search for Wix Forms. Now click on the first one. Then add it to your site. After that, you can now create a sign-up form. Just add in the fields that you want. Then make sure that those fields are required. And once done, just click on Save. Now that you have your sign-up form, go back to your Wix website dashboard. Then on the left panel, click on Automations. Once in, you'll see an option to get an email when a form is submitted. Just go ahead and set up that automation. Once in, click the plus sign button, then choose Action. Here, scroll down until you see Add a Coupon. Then just select the coupon that you made. Now you have an option to send it automatically by making an action like send an email. Since you already have one, what you need to do is to delete it. Then go ahead and add a new step. Click on Action and choose Send an Email. Here you can go ahead and edit the email. You can customize it to your liking. Then change the message and add in a message for your coupon. Like here's a coupon for you. And you can add in the coupon code and also the description of your coupon. Once done, just click on Save and Continue. After that, on the left panel, you can also set the email type. Make sure that it is promotional, that is includes coupons, and just click on Apply. Then once done, click Activate on the top right corner. And now your automation is on. So when they submitted a form, a coupon will be added. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.